Contact front.
Tell me what you want.
All right, so you're gonna fire 4 shots standing to the body, 4 shots kneeling to the body. Once you're done, stand back up, place weapon on safe. Shooter stand by. Contact front. Two to the body, 1 to the head, drop to a knee, 2 to the body, 1 to the head. Once you're done, stand back up.
Cut.
Stand by. Fire. Same thing. Fire.
Out. You're done.
Alright, so for M9, go ahead and draw it out. Muzzle into the wood. I'm going to tell you contact right or contact left. That's when you're going to do that Israel lean, using that barricade for support, leaning out, engaging the target. It's going to be 2 shots to the body, 1 to the head. 2 to the body, 1 to the head, whichever direction I call. Shooter stand by. Contact left. Contact right. So get this hand higher up on the tang. There you go, just like that. That should eliminate some of those jams.
Okay.
Contact right. Contact left. Contact right. Clear it out. Safe.
Safe clear?
Slide forward, hold and step back. Contact right. Contact left. Contact front.
Hey.
We'll do 2 shots to the body standing, and then 1 to each pelvic kneeling.
Okay.
All right.
Yep.
Shooter stand by. Contact front.
Hey. Oh, he took down yours that you shot. Do you get to keep it?
Yeah, I can. It'd be nice. Yep, this is where we all come out every day, all the way down here. All of us.
So he was saying that the frames, that he had to redo those.
Yeah, so he just took this whole wire out here and he put it in here because those stands out there are all falling apart. So